Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that HOPPY token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, HOPPY is a community-driven meme token on the Solana blockchain inspired by a frog character from artist Matt Fury 2012 book The Night Riders. A lore-based meme token. It is built around the narrative and aesthetic of HOPPY, a silent frog rather than a technical utility or product. Community and culture focus. The project emphasizes shared identity, light-hearted philosophy, HOPPY and organic community engagement. Solana-based digital assets. It exists as a tradable SPL token, leveraging Solana network for fast and low-cost transactions. HOPPY project institution rating is 3.2. HOPPY token total supply is around 996.89 million and circulating supply is also 996.89 million. HOPPY token is listed on PumpSwap, MetaOraVD and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.